I'll post few videos and get famous and giants will line up. That's a bad dream. That's not the reality. Reality is in 9 months with hard work of posting 50 videos, I built a loyal audience and get a lot of clients and the words of tea. So hi guys, in YouTube channel, I'm Pradeep Durbal, graduated from IIT. I am building my agency. I It's been 5 years in Modi from home, and today I'm going to tell you how I built a YouTube system, a channel where I'm gonna hit 2K subscribers. I built a loyal audience for myself, and I had got a lot of clients and money from it. So honestly, I tell you my journey, how it started back when I was doing job in Forces. I created a YouTube channel, but it was totally in different niche of fashion and lifestyle. And I put a lot of dedication and hard work. And I really got some good views and subscribers also. Even some brand days, you won't believe. I literally had what, like 400 subscribers and that. But the problem was that I had high expectations. I watched all these influencers like Sejal Kumar, Prachi Karkoli, and I was like, yeah, man. I mean, if she can get humans, why I cannot? And I thought that, like brand deals were just lined up for me in 3 months. So I didn't had a plan. Plus, I got a lot of backlash from my relative because I am totally from Mandori academic background. And I was doing casting videos, which was not accepted. Also, because of the backlash and because I don't have any future with the channel, I just started with the adrenaline and the botcher. But now as a vegan, again, I started my YouTube channel 9 months before. And this time I'm doing it for my agency, for my content. I'm literally building audience and I have a clarity and vision what I'm going to do with my YouTube in the next 5 years. So I know that YouTube is the most rewarding social media platform. I hit 135K on LinkedIn today. I hit 14K on Instagram today. But I am most excited to hit 2K on YouTube because I know that audience here watches you for minutes and there they just throw you for seconds. So that's a huge difference. Now, let's be real. My first videos were very bad because I don't know what it was. I was just posting for the sake of it. I have no idea of editing. I have no idea of issue. I literally just started it and I just posted on some topics I know. And I was getting what like 30, 40, 50 views, which was like very, very, very less. You will think that it's still more, but again, I'll repeat, I have a 135K following on LinkedIn and 14 on Instagram, so it was very less for me. But I know one thing that to win any platform, you need to be consistent and you need to be patient. So what I did was to keep doing better in every video. So I was like, acha, theek hai. So in this video, maybe the topic was good, but the thumbnail was not. So I'll do a better thumbnail in the next video. Now, chalo, thumbnail is good, but maybe the shooting style is not good. So let's make it engaging and do it another way. Then I thought that okay, editing is not that good at all. So I need to hire an editor, at least who can do decent editing. So almost like what 6 months gone, all in this experiment, changing and stuff. And last 3 months were the most banging one, which I'm gonna tell you why and how I made that lakhs. So what happened? I got this Calendly call booking and I have mentioned that how to find me and they said me YouTube. And I was like, okay, maybe they find me from YouTube, from a fast feed and all. So I got on the call and they were like, no, we found you from your channel. Was very, would you like to handle our social media on YouTube? We were doing great at all. And yeah, that's all it did. And I like took them as a client. I'm like, wow, that was great. So yeah, so that was what my client were 30K with 90 reviews on videos. So now I got an idea that I need to teach strategy. I need to attract it for the right audience. So now I'm very strategic in my video. I talk about freelancing, I talk about LinkedIn, I talk about agency stuff, and last related to social media because that's what I do. So here's where the gate actually changed. My channel was going very slow in the first 6 months, and I was like, this was sort of happening because I was thinking I'll hit 5K very soon. But only for 1000 subscribers, I think I took 6 months time. And I was very, very, it was very demotivating for me. So I took the VidIQ app It was, I seen an ad and they were giving 3,000 rupees subscription per year. So I just bought it and I had no idea what to do with the tool. I just explored it for keywords and ideas. But then there was a interesting rule in this clipping in which you can make clips of long videos and put it as shorts. So I was like, wow, this is good. So now what I did for all of my past videos, I kept and scheduled as shorts. So you won't believe, like in my first 6 months, I was not putting out a single shot. And in the last 3 months, I think I put it out like what 300, 200 shots because every day I'm posting 3 shots. And that drastically grows my channel. So for 6 months, we hit 1,000 subscribers. And in the next 3 months only, I hit 1,000 alone. So now it's almost 2K subscribers. And I'm very, very sure that next year, maybe before my birthday, which is on 3rd March.
भाई को जन्मदिन है भैया, और भाई हमारी तरफ से भाई है ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं, और भाई जीवन में बढ़िया नौम करे, बढ़िया कौम करे, और भाई की भैया लंबी उम्र हो। ठीक है भैया, रोम रोम।
Thanks in advance. I'll hit 5,000. So anyway, now let's talk to the main part which you have come here for the money. So I made 5 lakhs. I think 2.5 lakh from the LinkedIn strategy or LinkedIn clients because I have a huge base on LinkedIn. So people trust easily and also I have work. So a lot of YouTube people come to know me, like I have a LinkedIn profile and then they hire me more. They said 1 lakh came for coaching students because a lot of you want to learn to grow social media and I have a coaching and mentorship program. If you also want it low, there's a form in the description. Please fill it and you can apply to my one-on-one coaching. It's paid and it's heavy amount. So it's not something, not for someone who's not serious. It is for someone actually wanna build, want to put their time and effort. And in the next 3 months, literally wanna earn like what 2 lakhs per month. So it's for the for serious freelancers, for serious people. It is the high mentorship coaching. It's not for people who won't have time or money to invest. Sorry. And yeah, while I came from the referrals because I got a lot of people to know me already, to know me on the YouTube, and they refer me to other people. So it's like a whole chain, you know. And to my surprise, I'm not even monetized yet. I have not even started the plan collabs, and I've already on such a huge amount. Some people will think in 9 months you have on 5 lakhs. Like, is it a joke? But to me, it's not because first of all, this is not my primarily income. I already have legit out there coaching. I already have an audience on other platforms. So this is something fresh and new. But yes, when I got money, when I got clients on video, it gives me a huge validation that okay, you're putting your money and your effort in the right thing. So to my message to anyone starting right now, you don't need 10,000 subscribers. You even don't need 1,000 subscribers. You just need loyal audience. You just need right people. You just need tech clients. You need right tech people watch you and pay. Yeah. So now let's talk something about algorithm and hacks where a lot of new creators mess up because what happened, they follow the strategy of these huge creators with 1 million, 2 million subscribers and they forgot that they're just starting out. For them, the strategy should be different. I honestly believe when you are at 0, like current 1K, when you are at 10K, your strategies should be different. It cannot be same for everyone. So for 60 seconds, other hope, which is the habit which everyone says, and I can't also deny it, it has to be controversial, it has to be emotional, it has to be very hard hitting or something in me. Titles are everything. You can figure title out this video or even the thumbnails and you will see wow. And also quick hack, whatever the title you put, don't put the same message in the thumbnail. Try to put the different place so you can convey two things at a time and it's not repetitive. Watch time is the key. Don't run behind user subscribers, run behind watch time. And that's the main reason why I started doing long videos. If you see before videos were like 4, 5, 6 minutes, but now all of my videos do at least more than 10 minutes. I try to make more than 10 minutes because you will get more watch time. First of all, your ad threshold limit will be crossed. And second of all, you will get more ads on the long videos and that will add in your revenue. So I think watch time is the thing you should focus on. So basically what you should focus on, making video, make 2 videos in one. But make sure that they are beyond 10 minutes. They are like really off. So yeah, always end with the CTA or at least have CBS in between. Because what happens when you work content, you have no intention without selling anything. It's okay in the beginning part. But at the end, if you are only investing in something and you're not getting in return, then it becomes monotonous. Like I can come on YouTube and share my golden nuggets of my experience of 5 years in this industry. But I can't do for free now because I also have to make an investment back. So I gotta keep putting more effort on my area. Doesn't make any sense. So now, if you're starting here thinking, Kriti, I'm not that confident like you, I don't have any skills, and also I don't have that much work experience. So how can I start and what I will put out? Which is a good push. I think start with simple. Just take your phone or take your camera and start recording whatever your experience is, whatever you have learned so far. So for an example, if you have a LinkedIn profile and you just have what 100 followers, at least you have that and just one from zero. So you can share experience that how you can get your first 100 followers on LinkedIn, which is a very good topic and a lot of new bees do watch. And same it goes with every place. You can share your experience of colleges. You can share your experience with the world, whatever the topics you think that to be discussed. I think you should go and make videos. And why I'm saying this because I have so much confidence to speak right now. But when I started, I started with a fashion channel. So that's like totally different. I'm really wanting for like Ajax. So maybe you think that we don't have that confidence that Kriti or anyone else projecting have because you're seeing them in after years of time we have put it to this industry. So you need to understand that to reach a certain level, everyone has to start from zero and you have to pick up the phone and you have to record and you have to put out. You have to do it again and again and again and again till the level you are happy and you are satisfied and you are like, okay, I'm making a decent enough videos. Now, here's something what I wish somebody told me earlier. The consistency is the compounding machine. So I make sure I post 4 long videos on my channel and 3 shorts every day. So basically, 4 content pieces every week going on my channel. Your content is a digital salesman. Every video salesman you're sleeping. You won't believe when I wake up, I got this notification of comments like from people, but I'm just sleeping and people watching my content, even cooking me for falls. So that's just insane. Be relatable, not the robotic. I know being relatable has become a trend and everybody's copying that, but don't copy and don't just try to make it as a trend, but just genuinely be related. Just genuinely share and understand the struggles of another person. Like if there is a new freelancer will come, I will understand how and what she or he is going through because I've been there. I know how much I struggled in the issues. I mean, we are all very much flawed people and when you start you don't know like what to do, you just do mistakes. I have done blunders, literally. I have fired clients, I have lashed out on my team, I have not made proper invoice support traps in place, and I have been scammed. I like everything bad has already happened to me, and that was a learning. So go make mistakes, learn, and become like everyone. Like if you need to go on top, you have to make mistakes. So if you're waiting to the perfect sign to start YouTube, there is no perfect sign. You need to start today because every day competition is increasing, and I think that it is the right time to start now because I thought a lot in the past, and what I realized is anything to do best or if anything to do the task you are thinking is yesterday. मतलब कल बेस्ट टाइम था, आज आपका नेक्स्ट बेस्ट टाइम है. So you need to start with like काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब पल में पगले डूंबी होपी करोड़ेगा. It's a very good quote. And you need to understand that you have to start today. Then let's say go and subscribe my channel, like the video, and watch the next here for your best.